Hi guys, I'm Sakshi, a professional makeup artist, and a very warm welcome to my video. I'm gonna show you all some amazing highlighter tricks which changed my highlighting game and which will definitely change yours as well. Also, this video is in collaboration with Foxy, a new platform that connects beauty influencers and artists with top brands and savvy shoppers. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. On the right side, I'm gonna apply matte highlighter, and on the left side, I'm gonna apply shimmer highlighter so you all can know the difference between these two. As I don't have any matte highlighter in particular, so I am using this shade from Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. You can use any kind of light shade from your eyeshadow palette as matte highlighter. Always use powder brush for highlighting because synthetic brush doesn't give good application. Highlighter is applied on your high points of the face like cheekbones, bridge of the nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and your chin. Make sure you only apply the highlighter on the cheekbones and not the cheeks, otherwise the effect of the highlighter would be reversed and your face will look dull. And also, don't forget to blend your highlighter while applying, otherwise there is a patch formed over face. Doesn't look good at all. So for the precision work, I'm using a pencil brush for my brow bone and for my inner corner highlighting. The reason we apply highlighter on high points only is that the light falls on those areas more. Matte highlighter doesn't make much of a difference for me, so I never use it unless I am really going for an extremely nude and matte look. So we are done with the matte side and we'll be moving to the shimmer side. To get most of the pigment from the highlighter, I always use fixing spray first and then apply highlighter. It gives a nice highlighting and a glossy look, and it sticks my highlighter quite well and it lasts long. Also, if you have tiny bumps and pimples, please avoid using highlighter on those areas, otherwise it will make them appear more and visible. So I'm done with the fixing spray and I use Swiss Beauty fixing spray over here, and I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I'm gonna use the same brush and the same technique as I used for the matte highlighting. But you have to make sure you're blending more with the shimmer highlighter, otherwise it will form a patch which will be really visible in shimmer highlighter, which wasn't visible in matte highlighter. So you have to keep that in mind and work on your face. You can clearly see how I am blending, and the same way you can do too. If you have a crooked nose or a bump on your nose, you can just apply the highlighter with your finger on the tip of the nose and it will give you same effect. And again, for the inner corner and brow bone, I am using pencil brush. If you have small flat brush, you can use that as well. And for the inner corner, I always use tip of the brush so it gets perfect application and it doesn't spreads. For the brow bone, I'm gonna do the same. You can even use your pinky finger and it will give the same application and effect, just the way I did. And this is my matte side, and you can clearly see it didn't make much of a difference. And this is the shimmer side, and you can clearly see how glowing and dewy. And this was the effect I wanted with the shimmer highlighter, glowing, glossy, dewy look. So now on this side, I'm gonna apply highlighter without fixing spray so you all can know the difference of applying with and without fixing spray. And I'm gonna apply the same way as I did on the other side. If you're looking for a natural subtle glow, apply highlighter without fixing spray and you can clearly see the difference. On this side, I was showing you all how you all can achieve glossy and dewy look with highlighter. And this side is more of a natural subtle glow which you can go for in your regular everyday makeup look. Always apply highlighter on your cupid's bow first, but if in case you forget and apply lipstick first, use your pinky finger or ring finger or even a small pencil brush would do. And just the way I'm applying, you can apply it so that it won't mess up with your lipstick as well. You can clearly see how much of a difference it has made. If you have this kind of bump on your nose, which is usually called crooked nose, then avoid applying highlighter over there as it will make it even more visible. And that's the complete highlighter tricks for you all. I hope it was helpful to you all. I tried my best to give as many tricks and tips as possible. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you did, please don't forget to like this video. And all the products that I have used in this video are available on Foxy, so go and check it out. Bye bye guys, take care. I love you all so much. Bye.